welcome to the room tour. So we're gonna start this room tour right here at the beginning of it all. This is kind of like my makeup kind of desk sort of thing. You know, it has all my makeup and daily things that I need to get daily ready. It has my, as you can see, my favorite mirror up here. Got this at Goodwill, so it's a one-time bond, unless there are more. Moving on, we're gonna actually stay right here, and this is my favorite mirror. As I said, you can probably see me. And then we're gonna jump up here to my little, this is my this year's vision board. Last year I did a whole bunch of images. This year I just did a whole bunch of words, and you know, just daily reminders, things that I like to, you know, wake up in the middle of the night and stare at unconsciously. So, come on over here. Oh my gosh. So down here we have my shoes, and I actually have a shoe rack, but the way our closets are set up is like I can't even like get to it. So I just put my shoes here. As you saw, my book bag was over here. I have some of my school supplies. This is where I keep, you know, books and things like that, all my textbooks. I have a little dry erase board for daily things. I usually keep this over there, but it fell, or it actually ripped off the wall. And yeah, we're gonna swing on this way. This is my bed. This is where I sleep. But enough about that. Let's go up. I have this little New York thingy thing. It's a shower curtain, actually. So if you ever want like something really nice and expensive, get it in the shower curtain. Moving on, I have my London, the place to be, underground map, and I really wanted one of these because I wanted to, like, you know, search and figure out how to get around for next time I go to London. This is where I stay, Clapham, and this is where I like to go, Shoreditch. So you see there's a lot of trains and connections to get there. Also, my little British flag, yay, because, you know, like British or whatever. And this is a few posters I got while traveling. Got this one in New York, got these 3 in London, and then, you know, just little cute things that I saw and wanted to pick up.
The pictures, maybe? Talk about it.
So yeah, those are all my friends and stuff over the years, different accomplishments and things. Graduation, when we went to Mexico, my lacrosse team, my second lacrosse team, my friends, yeah, just, you know, people. Let's move it on this way. So this is my desk, and my idea for my desk was to have a double desk. And so having a double desk was like having a desk next to a desk, but like my table is really small and kind of gross. And these are my 2 sewing machines. They're brothers. Get it? They're brothers because they're the brother sewing machines. They're brothers. Anyways, I like to have calendars and things to know when I'm doing things, so that I know that I have to do things. And yep. And so yeah, so August, today's actually September 2nd, so I have to change that. I'm only a day behind. I have some videos.
2.
I have some videos I need to edit. And then up there is my big ideas board, which is where all the big ideas happen. Just a few things that I need to take care of. So yeah, and we're gonna just slide right over here to the last part of my room tour, which is this.
Yeah, I'm not supposed to laugh.
It's fine. And this is it. So I hope you enjoyed my room tour. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Come back for more videos whenever they're uploaded, because, you know, when do I upload? Whenever I feel like it. Bye! I think my eyelash came out.